from Makeup Studio. It's in the shade dark yellow, and I will conceal my under eyes, my blemishes and everything with this. Whenever you are applying the concealer, make sure you are applying it precisely, and secondly, it should be blended properly before applying foundation or baking. I'm using the foundation from Benefit India. It looks like this, and it is Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation in the shade number 4. So as I have already told you guys that it's very important to maintain the consistency of your foundation. You can't just overload your face with lots and lots of foundation at once. You have to build up that. So I have taken a little bit of foundation over here, and firstly I'll start by covering up my under eye, and then I'll move ahead with my face. So guys, whenever you are applying foundation on your face, don't forget to cover your eyelid as well. It's very important, because if you'll not cover your eyelid, then what will happen, your eyeshadow will not set properly on your eye. Okay, so now it's time to blend my foundation with the beauty blender. For baking, I am using my most favorite baking powder, that is a translucent powder from Kryolan. I love this product. It's so lightweighted. It won't give any kind of color or cakiness to your face. I just love it. Always start with baking your under eye first, and then move ahead on your entire face. Now let's start first with the eye makeup, and then I'll move ahead with my face contouring, blush and all that. Okay, so firstly I'm starting blending a blue color eyeshadow from Miss Claire, and I will be blending it in the outer corner of my eyes. So guys, always make sure that you are starting up with a little amount of a product and then building up more product if required. Now I'm using Aqua cream from Makeup Forever, and this is a waterproof Aqua cream. This is blue in color, so I'll be using that. Now again with the blending brush, I'm blending out the creases. Okay guys, so now I am blending out the lower waterline with the same shade of Miss Claire. So guys, this is what it looks like right now. I know it's looking a bit odd, I think so, but the complete look will rock. So now I am planning to go a little overboard with this eye makeup look. So I'm going to use this glitter on my eyes, and it is again from Makeup Studio, and it's in the shade Blue Ocean. As you can see, I am just dabbing very lightly all over my lid. Now I will be applying the white KAJAL from NYKAA to make my eyes a little more dramatic. It's time for some mascara. So I'll be using my all-time favorite mascara from Too Faced, Damn Girl, and yeah, here So guys, this is what the transformation just a mascara has given to my eyes. You can see the eyes are looking more bigger and defined right now. So I'm using this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I will be using the shade Golden from it, and the name is 24K. The shade name is that. So I'll be applying that on the inner corner of my eyes. It's time to fill up my brow bone, as that is the only thing left to cover my eye, and I'll be using the shade Moon Dust to cover the brow bone for now. Not too much because the eyes are already highlighted and glittered, so I'll be highlighting a little bit so that you know the skin is not visible, the skin is covered. So I don't do much for my brows, they are like that only since my birth. So what I'll do is I'll just brush them with my tint from Benefit India in the shade brown, and I'm just going to brush them up to give a neater and fine look. That's it. For contouring, I'll use my most favorite contouring stick, that is from NYKAA in the shade 07. So whenever you are contouring your face, just always make sure to pout first so that you can actually get to know your cheekbone where you have to actually contour. Okay. Can you see? It actually works. Okay. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette, and as always I'm going to use this as my blush. Since the eyes are very solid blue, so I want to keep my cheeks a little pinky, not pale, otherwise the eyes are looking so solid and the face will look so pale and flat. So it's very important to maintain that balance. Now it's time to highlight, and as always I'll use my favorite Makeup Studio highlighter. Since it's a liquid highlighter, it blends so easily, so fast. See? You see, it's already blended. I am using my most favorite lip pencil from NYKAA, Lip Stone Lie in the shade Chocolate Boy. Now I'm using my most favorite lipstick from Huda, that is Staycation. I love this lipstick. I know you guys will say you always use this, but I can't keep myself away from this lipstick. Sorry guys, can't help. Just little bit, not too much. This is a Kryolan lip palette. You can get it easily over there. So it has all the color from the family of pink and red. So I'm using the very first shade here, this one, the nudish one, on my lips, and trying to get the shade which I am thinking in my mind. So this is my final aqua look for the day, and I hope you like this look, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not, and yeah, hit on the bell icon for further notifications. And if you want to know about any product details, everything is mentioned in the description box below. Please go and check it out. And for any other queries or any doubt, you can always write in the comment section down below.